Hey guys, I just want to do a really quick video on how to make your own little Bantu top with the fabric I send you. If you purchase these pants from my website, you will get a piece of fabric. And also, any piece of fabric, you can get like a yard or two and make your own top, okay? The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put it to your neck, cut it down to about right here to the middle of your breast, okay? Now I'm gonna show you because I already have this on. I'm taking it apart. I'm not gonna show you. So then you're gonna tie it around your breast like that, okay? From here, tie it around your neck. And if you don't have big breasts like me, you can get creative with this, but me, I have big breasts, so I need to secure myself. So I'm bringing this back at the top, and then I'm pulling it in. You can leave it like that if you want. I tucked mine on in the bottom. Then you got your homemade top, see? And then if you buy these pants, you know how to make my top.